How to change password on Snapchat. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your account. Go to your settings, scroll down, and look for password. Tap this one. So when you click this password, you can see to set a new password, please enter your current password first. Remember, you can't change your password if you don't know your current password. So type it first. So now you can set a good password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So make sure that you follow this instruction and then think of a unique password so that people cannot easily hack your account. So type the first password here and then after that, confirm your password below. So it says strong, so it means that your password cannot be easily hacked. So to confirm password, make sure that it matches your password with the first one. So all you have to do is to tap save now. Okay, so your password has been updated. So it means you already changed your password on your Snapchat. That is just a very easy tutorial. Thank you for watching.